So here we are again with Patrick's bike all jacked up. I think he busted his oil cooler and coolant was dumping out, so we had to quick steal it. There's the oil filter we did the other day. And now we're just having a little trailside party. We had leftover pizza from last night. We had about a 6-pack of beer. We got music.
We got Galvin shirtless.
Galvin's getting some sun. And this is where we're at. So I guess it could be worse. Mark's way up in the trees in the shade. So. But it is a beautiful day so far. But looks like we're gonna get caught by rain again. But, oh well. Still having fun. See ya.